In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional questions in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Forms is such a fantastic tool for gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or even just creating simple quizzes. Today, I'll guide you through the process of setting up conditional questions that will lead respondents to different parts of the form based on their answers. Let's get started. First off, we need to create a blank form. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open Google Forms, either through your Google Drive or by visiting the Google Forms website. Once you're there, let's jump right in and name our form. For this example, we're going to call it Video Feedback. It's important to name your form, something relevant, so that your respondents know exactly what their feedback is about. Once you've done that, you can close the theme editor if it opens and starts to distract you. Now we need to set up our first question. Let's keep it simple. We'll ask, do you like our videos? You could use multiple choice format here, where people can only choose one option. Google Forms will suggest some choices, but you could just type in your own answers. For this one, let's keep it straightforward with yes and no. Now that we've entered our question and the options, let's add another question underneath. This is where the magic of conditional questioning comes into play. If someone answers yes, we want the form to just be submitted. But if they select no, we want to gather feedback on why they didn't enjoy the videos. So for the follow-up question, let's ask, please provide your feedback. This should be in a paragraph format because we want to give respondents ample space to express their thoughts. If you're aiming to control how much they write, you could even click on those three dots next to the question, then select Response Validation. Here, you can set character limits if you feel that's necessary, but in our case, we're keeping it simple and not adding any restrictions. Now, let's make this a conditional question. Click on the three dots next to your first question that asks if they like your videos. You'll see an option that says Go to Section based on Answer. Click on that. Here's where we can set up our logic. If someone answers yes, we want them to submit the form directly, so toggle that option and set it to Submit the form. If they answer no, we would want them to continue to the next question where they'll provide their feedback. For the second question, you need to ensure that it is marked as required. This way, we can ensure that they answer it before they submit the form. Just to recap, if a respondent clicks yes, they're done, and they can submit the form. If they say no, they'll be prompted to provide their feedback. It's that simple. Once you're satisfied with the setup, the next step is to publish your form. You can easily do this by clicking the Send button at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll get a shareable link that you can copy and send to anyone you'd like. This makes it incredibly easy to gather feedback without much hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google form with conditional questions. This feature can greatly enhance the quality of the responses you receive by directing your respondents to answer only the questions that are relevant to them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Google Forms and other tools.